Rhythm Clock's Stairway to Heaven Mantle Clock. Brilliant geometrical design and modern style. Medium-size mantle clock with quartz movement. Dimensions 9.2 h x 9.4 w x 5dn. Metal case with a gleaming gold finish. Requires 2 AA batteries, not included. Mantle clock, wooden mantle clock for living room decor, silent, wood, battery-operated mantle clock for fireplace mantle, office, desk, shelf and home decor gift, 15 by 7.5 inch. Get ready to fall in love with our premium wooden mantle clock. NEWGATE registered Mantle silent sweep mantle clock, no tick, a modern tabletop clock, small clock, living room clock, office clock, desk clock, minimalist dial, cheeky yellow. NEWGATE clocks are proudly designed in the UK. A contemporary mantle or desk clock with a minimalist dial. Available in a range of monochrome color options, this modern matte finish mantle clock NIKKY home rotating table clock, non-ticking silent battery-operated decorative mantle desk shelf metal clock for home, office, living room, bedroom, rose gold. Quiet and smooth sweeping quartz movement and second-hand, precise quartz movements ensure accurate time. Vintage tabletop clock operates on an accurate quartz movement, energy saving and environmental protection. Our wood mantle clock showcases a white analog dial with easy-to-see black Roman numerals, providing comfort and convenience while adding character and style to any room in your classy home.